what I'm going to show you is going to look like a magic trick, but it's not magic. It's high school coders in action. All right, I want to add a new store item right here and show it to you in this video that I'm making right now for the 5th time. Let's hope I can do this without flubbing too much this time. I'm going to go to New Store Item, but before I click it, I'm going to hold Command so this opens up in a new tab. Now, Control on a PC. And I'm going to put, free gold. And down here, I'll just paste. I didn't want you to have to watch me type that again. And then I told you that this item ID is the key. So 24,890. I'm going to copy that. And the cost, now if I put 100 here, this is the cost. That means it's going to cost you 100 gold, and there's nothing free about that. And I try to be honest with my students. So a negative of a negative is a positive, right? So we'll put a negative sign there, and we'll get into all the nuances, but this is about how easy it is to make all these different store items. One thing I do want to do is use the limiter. By default, there's nothing in here. It means it's unlimited. If I put any number here, that's the number of times you can claim this. And I'm going to put a 1 there because I don't want people to be able to claim it more than once. Now remember, we've already copied that 24,890. I'm going to make sure by double-clicking and copying it again. And then publishing this. And now we can switch back to our second tab, refresh this page to once again show you there's nothing up my sleeve. I'm way down here. And then I come over to the first tab, and I'm using Divi, a theme that's going to be updated so I don't have to use all these funky boxes, which is going to be great. And it says when I can show you, so I'm going to come right here and use our little shortcode widget. Now this is installed with Go. If I click here on the 2 brackets, by default, I get Go Get Display Name, which calls me, boss, calls anybody else logged in by their display name, and calls anybody not logged in, visitor. Comma, get your, and then your, and that will happen everywhere. I do that all the time. Click on the shortcodes and come down to Store ID. Now, I want to see some beauty coding. The guys made that cursor drop in, put the focus between those 2 quotation marks, which means I just paste that number and I'm done. We update this page, and while it's updating, I'll switch over to this page, show you before I do it, I've got gold 28,026, refresh this page, 28,026, get your free gold, we'll claim that, and this is green, that means you're going to get it. If it cost, it would be red. Get it? So it says limit 1, quantity purchased, switches to 1, got my 100 gold, come over here, check, 28,126, yeah. And I try to go for a little more, and it doesn't work because you've reached the maximum purchase level. Is that a thing of beauty or what? I'm going to fix this formatting and put that video right here for you.